Hi guys, today I will show you how to step by step set up a rope swing without climbing the trees. There are two different setups, simple and upgraded. Let's go.
First of all, throw the rope over the branch. Make a short end and a long end. For the long end, we'll make an Alpine Butterfly Knot. Of course, it goes without saying that you need a strong certified climbing rope. The rope I'm using now is 10 mm diameter, 30 meters long. Put the short end through the loop and pull. Let the loop rise to the top. For the remaining long end, put them aside. Pick up a wood stick and make a Marline Spike Hitch. The thickness of the wood stick is around 40 mm diameter. If there is excess rope, you can tidy up like this. There you go, a simple rope swing setup. Let's give it a try. Or you can tie it above the head using the same Marline Spike Hitch. It is a lot more fun if you swing to a lake or a big river. Now let's make the upgraded version. We need another rope. We also need a seat. Let's DIY one. We just need 3 wooden sticks and a lashing cord. The lashing knot I'm using is Shear lashing knot. Now take the seats and make the swing knot, as known as Scaffold hitch. Here is the important step. After you make the scaffold hitch, tighten it with a cable tie. Now let's make a bowline knot. To make it even more secure, we make a Scott lock bowline. Like usual, let's tidy up the excess rope. Let's make the same scaffold hitch for the other side. Remember to use cable tie to tighten the knots. It is okay that the seat is not balanced at the moment. After you tie the bowline knot, the seats should remain level. Again, we make a Scott lock bowline knot. After making sure the seat is as level as possible, then you can tidy up the excess rope. There you go, an upgraded version of rope swing. Now we are good to go. Let's give it a try. At the end, if you want to untie the rope from the tree, just pull the long end, the rope will come down. There is one more thing I would like to add. If you look at the video right now, the seat is uneven. This is my first attempt of making the rope swing. The seat is uneven because the scaffold hitch came loose while I was tying the bowline knot. That is the problem of scaffold hitch. If there is no weight on it, the knot will tend to unravel itself, making the seats uneven. That is why you need to tighten the scaffold hitch while you are still working on the bowline knot above. You can ask a friend to hold the knots for you. I'm using a cable tie because I find it handy.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, ciao.